Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Binance price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, and starting with an overview for the bullish and bearish scenarios on the weekly. And we're gonna start with the bullish one, where we have of course an impulse towards the upside. You have finished of course a wave 1 or a wave A. In case you are of course in a wave A, you're looking for a wave B here corrective, and looking for a wave C, which it might be of course a finished 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Still need of course one more wave probably to finish this wave 5, which is almost as well finished. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 ending diagonal. In your wave 1 here, where you are looking for higher, so you are in 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. So you're looking probably for a wave 4 to range in a 3 wave ABC, of course, and then looking, of course, for one more impulse towards the upside for a wave 5, of course, in the blue count here. In case we are bearish right now, we have finished, of course, is this move towards the upside in ABC, 3 waves up, and then you're looking for a wave B. Of course, it has to be corrective. Now, it's not necessarily to dive very, very deep. Of course, it depends on the movement here that we're gonna, of course, move inside it on the 4-hour chart later on and the 1-hour chart. ABC, of course, and then continuation toward the upside. More bearish, it can be then an impulse and then 3 waves up and then another impulse and then move towards the upside for a wave C again, of course. So these are basically the main bullish and bearish scenarios that we might face, of course, for Binance. However, we are very, very close to finish a wave C or a wave 3, or it might has finished. Let's go closer on the daily first. On the daily, what we can see, of course, inside this impulse toward the upside, you can see, of course, a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Now, your wave 5 is a little bit problematic because, as you can see, if it is double 1, 2 here, you don't have 3, 4, and 5, 4, and 5. Anyway, the wave 4 is invalidated. If you are in a diagonal toward the upside, so 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, already invalidated as well. And taking as well in a contracting diagonal from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, your wave 5 is longer than your wave 3, also invalidation. So I would say that the wave 3 is not finished yet, and we are still looking for a little bit higher, of course, for Binance. And yeah, basically, because the wave here is, of course, corrective in 3 waves up, 3 waves down. So basically, we are looking for something like a contracting diagonal, yeah, towards the upside in case we are finishing this wave 5. Unless, of course, it has to turn out here corrective. And if this turns out as a correction, therefore, here we have to change our scenario that it has finished a wave correction here as a wave C. So this impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, or A, B, and a C, yeah, it's gonna end up in a wave C here. Yeah. However, it's still very low possibility, and that because, of course, we took the all-time high. So this is your signal that we are still looking much higher possibility for higher prices to finish, of course, is this wave 5. Now, this wave 5 possibility to end is the following. Now, as you can see, by the way, before moving to the wave 5, your wave 2 has ranged so much in time. Yeah. And when we see a very, very long time, then of course your wave 4, which is not invalidated yet, as you can see, in case this is your wave 1 here, you did not invalidate this wave, this impulse toward the upside yet. So basically, we are still very clear. Let's put this as invalidation of bullish, right? If we hit this price, means that we have invalidated, of course, this scenario. So far, we are still into it, and probably your wave 4 still ranging, or probably finished in a running flat. Yeah? And then now you're looking for higher prices. So if we have finished a running flat here as A, B, and a C, right, or WXY, it can be as well. We are looking, of course, here for something like 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 toward the upside. Yeah, very, very possible. So we still, of course, have something hidden for BNB. In case we are, of course, in a something bigger than this, it could be, of course, a lower wave 4 in time, but it's very, very low possibility, guys. If we take the time taken from the wave 2 here to the wave 3 for a wave 4, yeah, at least 0.618. Now the 0.38 can be, but even, look, the wave 4 even before it, yeah, this is therefore very, very low possibility. I would say, yeah, wave 4 has finished here probably as an ABC, right, running flat, and you're still looking for higher from there. This is your bullish scenario. However, if we dive deeper a little bit, we can see, of course, we have an impulse already, which is a good sign, right? It looks like an impulsive. Let's move to the 4-hour chart to read this one. Yeah, we have 1, 2 here, probably another 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. You want to see continuation toward the upside, yeah? And this is so different from Bitcoin, huh? For BNB, very, very interesting. So we have 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. You don't want to invalidate this as well. Okay, you don't want to get to this price. Do not invalidate invalidation of bullish again in lower time frame. And of course, if you invalidate this at 649, that means, of course, something still corrective. Yeah, so of course, lower prices until we get the low again. So basically 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to finish a wave 3, and then a wave 4 again, and a 5, of course, to finish this 1, 2. And now, and don't forget that you will take the all-time high with it. In case, of course, you continue impulsive, you have to take the all-time high. So if we get here like 1, 2, and we get the 1.618, well, it is very close, yeah. But before taking this one, by the way, let's take actually this one. 1, and then 2, and yeah, here we go. Actually, it might be even several 1, 2s here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let me check 1 second. Even if we take a look here, I just realized 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, but this is very long here. Interesting. Okay, it can belong to the wave 2 here. But yeah, if we take the 1, 2 here, probably, sorry, the fib levels, here we go. So 1 and then 2, we see, of course, yeah, we have hit perfectly the 1.618. That's perfect. That's a good signal. And you want to see continuation now toward the upside. So we are currently in 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, so these are the labels for a smaller count. And then you still have one more for 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, meaning all-time high. Means all-time high. So here we go. And these are our count here. So basically, yes, we want to take the all-time high, but be careful. Once we get this, then probably we have finished impulse or bull run for BNB. Yeah, because in this case scenario, once you take the high here, you have finished 1, 2, 3, and then your wave 4, of course, here is a running flat, yeah, and then wave 5, of course, toward the upside. And more insights is that you would like to see, basically, this is your wave 1, ABC probably here, yeah, very, very choppy wave for a WXY for wave 2, but probably you want to repeat the same price action for your wave 1 here. Yeah, here we go. So yeah, it gave us, of course, all-time high. I would say for more insights, of course, if we have topped here for a wave 1, let's go back to the 4-hour chart. I would say the scenario for target for a wave 5, let's see the target almost for it. Here we go. So taken from the wave 1 to the wave 3 and wave 5 over 1. Here we go. These are our targets. Yeah, perfectly. Okay, so between the 800 and 863, those can be, of course, this box can be our targets for BNB. Yeah. Taking the 649, that's not good. We have to reconsider the bearish scenario and moving toward the downside, probably to take the low in a bigger correction, meaning A, B, and something like another or W, X, and a Y. Yeah, so a structure, finished structure like this. Yeah, and that of course will trigger a final wave towards the upside again. So yeah, be careful from it. Just taking, of course, this invalidation, meaning, of course, lower prices. Very simple between bullish and bearish. Now, if you take, of course, a closer look on the KGT. Yeah, so perfect. On the KGT 15-minute chart, we can see, of course, the bearish signals invalidated, yeah, because the high here took this. It is converging, and this is a good signal, yeah, good signal for the bulls, and means of course we are in a buy signals. Even if we have more accumulation, you can see more green coming in, so meaning like more buyers are coming into the market. So these are good signals actually for the buyers. And yeah, we might of course still move for higher as per Elliott wave. That was it for BNB. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.